In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Whop and set up your products effectively. Let's get started by diving into the process step by step to ensure everything is set up perfectly. First, we'll start by heading over to the Whop website and logging into your account. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Logging in will bring you directly to your dashboard, which is your main hub for managing products and interacting with the platform's features. Once you're comfortably settled into your dashboard, the next task is to navigate to the products section. This is where everything happens. Simply click on products and then on create product. This will redirect you to a page where you can enter all the details necessary for your product. It's your workspace to build and customize as you see fit. Now, it's time to enter your product details. This includes the product name, a fitting description that highlights its features and benefits, and of course the price. If you're offering subscription options, you can outline them here as well. Take your time to think about how you want to present your product to potential customers. The name and description are your first impression, so make them count. Next up is adding media and resources. This is where you can upload any related files, videos, or images that complement your product. Visual and informative content can add significant value, giving potential buyers a clearer understanding of what they're purchasing and enhancing their overall experience. For example, if it's an online course, you might add detailed videos or additional reading materials. We then move on to setting access and permissions. Depending on how you want to structure the user access, you can decide who gets to see and interact with your products. This could be specific roles within a Discord channel, members of a particular Telegram group, or individuals with certain email addresses. It's crucial to ensure the right audience is targeted, as this can directly impact customer satisfaction and engagement. Now that everything is set up beautifully, it's time to unveil your creation to the world. Click Save or Publish to make your product live. By doing this, your product will now be available for purchase and will show up on your storefront. If you have more than one product, don't worry, the process for each is the same. Just go back to the Create Product section and repeat the process as often as needed until all your products are live and ready for your customers. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of setting up products on Whop. This approach ensures that each product stands out and is easily accessible to those who would benefit most. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy selling!